In 1853, Carrier Pigeon, an American clipper sailing ship, left on her maiden voyage from Boston bound to San Francisco via Cape Horn. Her captain was Azariah Doan. 4 months later and 70 nautical miles from San Francisco, her destination, Carrier Pigeon was sailing at night in thick fog when it was wrecked on the rocky shore near Pescadero, California. Luckily her crew survived and made it safely to shore. In 1871, after more shipwrecks on this coast, the 115-foot Pigeon Point Lighthouse was built to guide sailing ships to safety. The Pigeon Point Lighthouse is situated next to picturesque Route 1, halfway between Santa Cruz and Half Moon Bay. A loud foghorn was installed, to guide ships on foggy days and nights. Today High USA, a non-profit organization, manages the lighthouse and its adjoining youth hostel. You can feel secluded in the hostel while enjoying its lovely stretch of shoreline with rocky cliffs. Learn about the area's ecology and get a taste of the way of life on the California coast.